Rebonjour Katie, so we just had our lesson. So we talked about la fête de la mi-automne, fête de la lune. I cannot play it because there's a copyright, so I don't want to get in trouble. And let's just go through this transcript. So, c'est quoi l'histoire de ce festival? So, it's like, it's what the story of this festival? What is it about? C'est la fête de la mi-automne, la fête de la lune. C'est l'histoire d'une princesse qui vivait sur la lune. So it's a story of a princess who was living on the moon. Elle avait pour seule compagnie un lièvre apothicaire. She had the only company she had was this hare, he knew about herbs, and he was called the jade hare. So it's celebrated le 15 du 8e mois lunaire, so it's a moon month, nothing related to our calendar. So every year there is une migration humaine. So that means Chinese, they go to their family, they hang out, and they move to from different places. Pourquoi la lune est si importante en Asie, en Chine? So why the moon is so important in Asia, in China? C'est religieux. La croyance, the belief. Les gens croient en la lune. People believe in the moon. So it's every time you want to believe in something, you're going to use this en. Okay? En. Les Chinois croient plus en la lune qu'au soleil. The Chinese believe more in the moon than the sun. La lune est très importante dans la cuisine chinoise. The moon is very important in the Chinese culture. And also musulman, islamique. La déesse, the goddess. La déesse a bu l'élixir d'immortalité. So the goddess drank the elixir of immortality, or the potion of immortality. So be careful. Le dessert est la déesse. Be careful. Le dieu is a god. La déesse is a goddess. So immortality potion. Une machine à fabriquer des lunes. Une machine à fabriquer des lunes. It's like the machine to build, to make moons. That was the moon cake machine. Des gâteaux de lune sont offerts à la famille. So the moon cake are offered to the family. Pourquoi? Why? Manger des gâteaux de lune signifie se rassembler, signifie de rassembler la famille ensemble. So to eat moon cake means to assemble the family together. Bring the family together. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'ils font ici? Ils dansent. On the video, you can see people dancing. They had the same choreography. So they dance. So tonight is la lune la plus grosse, the biggest, la plus lumineuse, the brightest. So according to the guy on the movie, it brings luck. Apporte, brings, de la chance. It's like some luck, or luck. C'est très joli. C'est très beau. It's very pretty. So there was a girl, a woman, she was playing an instrument. De quel instrument elle joue? Elle joue du gunseng. Ils sont dans les boîtes rouges, so les gâteaux sont dans les boîtes rouges. Donc tu partages le gâteau avec d'autres personnes, you share the cake with other people. Mais c'est un gâteau trop riche, it's too rich, it's too much. Les lanternes en papier rouge, the lantern it's like the paper lantern, the red paper lantern. Tu fais un vœu, you make a wish. Faire un vœu is to make a wish. If you want to visit some castles in France, you need to go, tu visites les châteaux de la Loire. Okay? So now, let's go to the book. So you have the dialogue, okay? So tu as l'air fatigué, you look, you seem, you look tired. Close this stuff. Okay. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? What's going on? Mal au ventre is belly is painful. Bellyache. Okay. Tu préfères aller mal. It's like you prefer to feel bad. Sois raisonnable. Be reasonable. Okay. En toute confiance. With complete confidence or trust. La grippe, the flu. Le rhume, a cold. Être enrhumé is to have a cold. Avoir le nez qui coule is to have a runny nose. Je tousse, I cough. Des comprimés, pills. La toux, the noun, not the verb like this one. A cough. Sirop is syrup. Donnez-moi aussi de l'aspirine. J'ai un peu de fièvre. I have a bit of fever. Voilà. Voilà, monsieur. Ce papier est à vous. Is this paper yours? Yes, it's mine. So I invite you to read these guys and have an idea of what's going on. Qu'est-ce que tu as? Qu'est-ce que vous avez? What's a problem? Je voudrais quelque chose pour le mal de tête. I would like something for the headache. Vous avez des soucis? Do you have problems? Pas vraiment, not really. Dis-moi, dites-moi, tell me. Tu as l'air, you seem, you look, fatigué, tired, en forme, great shape, healthy, content, happy. Okay. So anyway, that's all I'm asking you to do, is to check. I may send you. I need to send this video to different people. So I'm gonna send you the video about La Grande Vadrouille. It's a French movie, and you do whatever you want, of course, but it's a great way also to practice French. They don't really speak like always clearly, because they speak fast sometimes, but it's a very nice movie. Anyway, au revoir Katie, passe une très bonne soirée, une très bonne journée, et on se voit donc mercredi prochain. À bientôt.